Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete an API key in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Welcome to dotcom.builders. First, log into your Brevo account, then click on your profile or icon name or username, select settings, and click on SMTP and API. Here, make sure to switch from SMTP to API keys, and you will see your available API keys in your Brevo account. Now, I have two API keys. To delete this API key, simply select it like that and click on Delete API key. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom Builders Academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Are you sure you want to delete this API key? Yes, click on delete. And just like that, your API key has been deleted successfully. And this is how to delete an API key in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.